Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Mikel Cardoso has raised eyebrows over Teboho Mogwena's suspension ahead of their highly anticipated Betway Premiership clash with Orlando Pirates, while shedding light on the emotional toll recent events have taken on the influential midfielder. Mokoena has been a pillar of consistency and leadership in the Sundowns engine room this season. However, the Bafana star will be absent when Masandawana hosts Pirates at a sold-out Loftus Versfeld Stadium on Saturday afternoon after collecting his fourth yellow card during the dying minutes. The 121, to be precise, of their Carling Knockout Cup exit at the hands of Marumo Gallants. Cardoso expressed his disbelief at the timing of the booking that triggered Mokwena's suspension, and said it's also very coincident that in the last minute of a match he gets a yellow card and we play Pirates after that. I believe in coincidences. The Portuguese tactician admitted Mokwena's absence would be felt but expressed confidence in the depth of his squad and said, I just hope that the ones who are going to feature are on the height of him. Beyond the suspension, Cardoso revealed that Mokoena had endured a difficult emotional period following the Bafana points deduction earlier this year, a controversy sparked when he was fielded against Lesotho despite being ineligible due to suspension. As it is clear for everybody that Teboho went through a very difficult moment in his personal life because of that situation. No one wants to have his name linked to something negative that touched the nation, especially when he had no responsibility for it. Cardoso praised Mokwena's resilience and highlighted the midfielder's improved mental state following South Africa's successful qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. As it after Bafana's qualification, it's clear that Teboho is another man. We feel him happy again, communicating, smiling, leading. He's a father and a family man, and he wasn't in a good place in recent months, but now we see the real Teboho coming back. Despite missing their midfield general, Sundowns remain confident as they aim to extend their lead at the top of the table. The reigning champions currently sit on 21 points from 10 matches, 3 clear of second-placed Pirates, who have 2 games in hand. The clash between South Africa's 2 football heavyweights kicks off at 3:30 on Saturday at a packed Loftus Versfeld, a battle set to shape the early title race in the Betway Premiership. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.